Greetings everyone, this is a quick review on the Apple iPad. This is the newest one, the fourth generation, or excuse me, sixth generation. I've recently invested in a lot of Apple products, so the versions are mixed up in my mind. But yeah, I have the Apple iPad 32 gigabyte, sixth generation. And this is the newest as of January 2018, mind you. When I bought this from a woman who got this in November. So here we have the Apple iPad, and I got a spec case from Walmart. I mean, I thought maybe I should take it out for the video, but please check out any cases from Spec across any of their hardwares. But it's really nice. It has a nice space for the camera. And since we're here, notice how the iPad has a flat camera and the iPad Pro, its camera actually protrudes outwards. So that's another thing to think about, whether you're getting the iPad or iPad Pro. Once again, the iPad is seamless on the back, as you can see, nothing coming out. The iPad, it does have, its lens does protrude out. But yeah, overall, super light, super thin. Case also has space for the buttons as well. Pretty standard. And there's also, I can imagine that holds for the Apple Pen, Apple Pencil. Really beautiful screen. And this also has the Touch ID. So just push it like that, because otherwise, if you just click normally, enter the passcode. But yeah, it's really convenient just to use my fingerprint, and quality of the touch sensor is really good as well. But yeah, it's really beautiful, super fast. I have the apps that I need on there. You know, I'm a trader at the moment. It's a really nice, beautiful screen to really do whatever you want. You know, check how the stock's currently crashing. However, I am not into stocks. I'm actually into cryptocurrency. So if you're into cryptocurrency as well, you know, leave a comment. Maybe we could link up. Could use some individuals right now for things I'm working on. But anyways, yeah, really beautiful, really fast. Really does anything I need. Links to the my iCloud, so pulls up, you know, different notes I have and whatnot. One thing I really enjoy this for is, of course, OneNote. But yeah, it's really great for taking notes. I use OneNote exclusively, you know, to keep different things, you know, and this iPad just makes things way easier. Especially right now, I'm working on a lot of different things with my software development and web development. Just take my notes. Every now and then I put my code in here, so I'm never alone without it. You know, keep my to-do lists. Another great thing for taking notes is Bear links to my Apple Watch as well. But overall, yeah, I really enjoy this. I think this should have everything you need, especially, you know, iTunes, Safari. And it's pretty fast. You know, I do believe that this should be all you need. Even for web developers, software developers, there are apps on here where some developers swear that all they need is their iPad or iPad Pro, but especially just the iPad. Really should be able to do anything you like. You know, but honestly, I just feel like it's just such like a seamless tool to have, you know, in your arsenal of different techs that help you get what you need to do. But also, you know, if you're just using it for pretty lightweight stuff, obviously it has the FaceTime, you know, and all that. But for me, I think that this is perfect for business use. You know, I'm soon going to get a keyboard and whatnot. But overall, I think this is great when I don't want to take one of the laptops out and do stuff. But yeah, once again, I think this is Definitely a device to get. Ideally, I'd say wait until the 6th generation price maybe drops a little bit, if the price range is a little bit too high for you. However, you know, get it now. Yeah, definitely get it now if you're in need of a tablet and maybe you're on Apple already. But overall, yeah, I really can't complain. I mean, the screen's massive. I could develop a whole website on this piece of hardware. I could also code in Python and watch Netflix and check stocks, check crypto, check my email, check my notebooks, you know, all while laying in a couch with a blanket and stuff, you know. So pretty unbelievable. I believe I got this for, I want to say $300, brand new. Ripped open the package, you know, the plastic, brand new. So I really can't complain. I definitely got it about $100 off. And once again, yeah, links with my Apple Watch, and just keeps everything going. You know, I think that's definitely the point of the Apple ecosystem. You know, is just to keep everything just flowing. You know, like wherever you're at, you know, you can just connect to your products and connect to your data, get to your information. You know, we don't need to log in every time, and yeah, just makes things simple and easy. So I hope you enjoyed this review. This has been the 6th generation Apple iPad. This is Divine Zeal, and I hope you enjoyed. Please make sure you give this a consideration. Look how beautiful. Peace.